Hi, my lovely public speakers. Today, I want to share with you some simple tips that will help you do well in public speaking contest. Follow until the end to understand what you should do. Tip number one, prepare is key. Before you step on the stage, make sure you know your topic inside out. Research, rehearse, and practice until you feel confident. Moving to tip number two, body language matter. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and use gestures to emphasize your points. Remember, your body language should exude your confidence and engage your audience. Tip number three, stand with a bang. Grab your audience attention right from the beginning. You can use a captivating story, a shocking statistic, or even a thought-provoking question. This will instantly hook your listeners and make them eager to hear more. Tip number four, speak clearly at a moderate pace. Avoid mumbling or rushing through your words. Take a deep breath when necessary. This will not only make you sound more professional, but also help your audience understand and absorb your message better. Let's talk about tip number five. Visual aids are your friend. Use props, slide, or visual to enhance your presentations. But remember, don't overload your audience with too much information on the screen. Keep it simple and visually appealing. Moving to tip number six. Connect your audience. Engage them by asking questions or encouraging participations. This will create a friendly atmosphere and make your speech more interactive and memorable. Lastly, tip number seven, practice makes perfect. That's why I'm saying practice, practice, practice. The more you speak in public, the better you become. Join clubs or organizations where you can practice your speaking skills regularly. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there you have it, my friendly public speakers. These simple tips will surely help you become a master at public speaking. Remember to prepare, use confident body language, start strong, speak clearly, use visual aids, connect with your audience, and practice constantly. You've got this. See you in the coming video. Don't forget to practice as much as possible before you stand in front of your audience.